me the same cool thing, and I gotta run. Oh, hello, guys. I didn't realize that I just started uploading. Look at you, whole lot of labor in my hands. Slack it if I would have it on the bed. You make it do, you must be man. Every day fair, but learn, maybe. What should I play? I already have the bad end in this game. And Judgment Day. And the sun and never left. I think I'm 24/7 machine. Yeah, this big machine. It's not that. Make you make it do. Never mind. Eagle crushes. Do you guys know the word? Do you guys know the word Eagle Crush? Eagle Crush? I was just trying to make some songs. But I already made like 3. I'll die before I drink. Eagle Crush. An Eagle Crush refers to the feeling of extreme and inadequacy, inferiority, and the sense that one's entire identity or self-worth has been demonstrated only the anger or self-pity. My bad is behind the fact. No. Only Rodrigo used the word Eagle Crush, and it's not brutal.
Can you define what an ego crush is?
Oh, yes. An ego crush is just, God, it's so hard to explain. An ego crush is just
Can you define what an ego crush is?
Oh, yes. An ego crush is just, God, it's so hard to explain. An ego crush is just like feeling like you're so inadequate and inferior and getting like angry about it, I suppose. I don't know how to explain it. It's just such this like feeling of just like inferiority and feeling like your entire identity is just like gone. Which I think is something that I definitely felt and something that teenagers feel, I suppose, as they're growing up. So yeah, that's what it is. It's just such a cool word. I love just the word ego. I don't know.
How do you come back from that? How do you heal from an ego crush?
Oh my gosh. I think I had healed from my ego crush that I wrote about in the song, but it's hard to sort of put that in.
Also, another interesting this game.
Like deriving your worth from things that are
The
truly
fuck?
important, like real relationships, and your relationship with yourself is really important. I think when you start, basing your self worth on how other people perceive you or how your, boyfriend or girlfriend perceives you or whatever, that's when things start to get a little.
Don't try to get into my house, bitch.
Awful and hurtful.
Don't.
So, yeah, I
Yeah,
think deriving your worth
bitch.
from important places was the thing that I learned that helped me.
The fact that I'm about to graduate the first year of middle school. Why are you trying to drop her at my house?
Hey, I'm Olivia Rodrigo, and this is the Wired Autocomplete interview.
진짜 잠이 들리지야. 아무튼 1 year ago. 잠을 버리고 Чаачберг гээл. Чаачберг энэ нас хүүхэд байна шүү.
Одоо жишээлбэл бидний хүмүүс хэрэгтэй. Юу өмсөх хэрэгтэй. Мак өмсөх гингүүд энэ ингээд авгаа мах унжиж яхад бид нар мак өмсөж чадахгүй заяо. Бид нар ингээд юб өмсөх гингүүд ой бүдүүн байх юм бид нар юб өмсөж чадахгүй заяо. Тэрвээ чи эрэгтэй бол энийг ойлгохгүй л шүү. Гэтэ эмэгтэй бол ч уус ойлгосон байгаа. Эрэгтэй байх бол аль ойлгох хичээгээрээ. За ямар ч тач 7 хоног жимс идэх буруудах юм байхгүй заяо. Энийг батлах зүйл гэх юм бол монголчууд бид нар хизээ байдлаар зүрхний уйлралт махаар хоолцдог байлаа да. Дануу цагаан эдгээр хоолцдог.
I'm just gonna update my description.
Би жимс аваад барс дээр ирсэн байна уу? Жимс нарийн ногооны төв.
In my channel. I always make videos in 2025 and 2024, but not 2023 because at that time I had to take a break because of the shorts that I made. It was kind of cringe to me. I didn't really like it. I felt really embarrassed. But thankfully I'm just Mongolian. I meant to YouTuber. Once I can play whatever game. I also can update what. I also can play whatever game I want in my own channel. Okay? Don't get the fuck out of here, bitch. No everything. What the fuck? What is mixed normal? Mixed normal. What the heck? Videos. Shorts. Wait, I need to pause, okay? Yes, sorry. My dad was calling me. My English is very good, isn't it? I started doing English in 2019, but I had did the fucking episode physical teacher and I didn't absolutely enjoy physical at all. I didn't enjoy it because of my piece of physical teacher, but if you ask me, will I miss her? No, never. Haha. She's literally a cruel bull teacher. She's an abyss. That's what I can describe her. Sure. Some of the YouTubers are just send me a lot of notifications like, come on. I only sleep for 8 hours 40 minutes in school days. Okay, only for school days I sleep for 8 hours 40 minutes. But once I have to wake up. I have to wake up like that with a messy head. Then I would brush my hair. For somebody who's still dealing with a crush as a 12 years old, as a 12-year-old, how the fuck am I still with it as a 12-year-old? Let's see. Studies. I study for studies 8:15 a.m. till 14:55 p.m. I am of course a Mongolian. I'm of course a normal Mongolian YouTuber. Some people doesn't know me, but some literally knows me. But some of the people are just like, what the fuck is that? But I really feel good name it too. Shut up. I'm Lil Bagoon M2. Ethan the M2. The only M2 YouTuber. Some of them are stalking me like, what the fuck? I don't fucking care, okay? I don't fucking care if I'm swearing. Because I love swearing, bro. Let me say some curse words, then.
Одоо бөөнөрөө сургууль руугаа явцгаая.
Don't fucking like my whole year of high school. It's just not on my feet. I mean, my 12th year. And my last year. Why are you trying to follow me? Get the fuck away. Oh my god. What? I don't fucking care if I hurt your feelings. I'm literally just craving some kind of croissant or Chinese food. I wanna meet his mom. Just to tell her sucks. I wanna key his car. I wanna make him mad. I wanna break his heart and stitch it right here. Yo, I just got so. Get the fuck away. Viper ямар аим ууртай upload. Sometimes I'm literally not uploading. But of course, and you wasn't more I meant to you normal I meant to you the fuck Бэлгүн. I'm gonna sue you for that, bitch. I'm gonna rob your house, bitch. Bэлgүн amen too. I'm just gonna put my ass to. Where the fuck is? Where's it there? What? What? I really want to eat some kind of. I really want some. Get your meal. The rolls are very tasty. Яаж долоо нэг хоолох гэдэг би чами яаж долоо нэг яаж долоо жимсүү хоолох юм цаа. How are you? How are you just долоо нэг жимсүү хоолж чадах юм уу чари? Бай тааж чадах юм байна та. Тааж бай долоо нэг жимсээ хоолж чадах юм байна.
өрнөө улиралд махаар хоолтдог байлаа да. Дануу цагаан айдгаараа хоолтдог байсан шүү дээ. Тэгэхээр өнөөдөр
Have my eyes with kerosene, bullsaccharid.
Гарс дээр ирсэн байна.
Oh, Russia's watching me, bullsaccharid. I fill my eyes with kerosene, and I'll burn. Oh, the fact that I was attending 2023, I was literally born in February 15th of 2014. I mean 2015. Not 2014. I was not born. I'm not 10 years old. I am now 12 years old. My 12th birthday was February 15th, which was like 1 month ago. Октод чинь турах асуулж ямар сайдны юм бай турах мох хэрэгтэй юм уу? Амин та үзэж байгаа нөө би ч амин 24 он үзсэн шүү дээ. I'm not watching this in 2025. I'm just watching this in 2020. I just want to watch it. Chami 2024. Only 2023.
Ийм жоохон бусдын дандаа юу гэдэг юм хайтлаа гэдэг юм. Энийг угаагаад юу вэ? Шахах үзье.
I need to go. Oh my gosh, my phone is. Oh my gosh. You guys really thought that I was gonna leave you alone, huh? But no, I was.
Day 2.
За 2 дахь өдөр би март орлоо. Цон үзмийг хөлтөөгөөд идвэл амар гоё зайрмаг шиг санагдаад байдаг байхгүй юу? Одоо би зайрмаг идэхгүй болохоор усан үзм аваад тэгээд гоё хөлтөөгөөд идвэл зайрмаг идчихэж байгаа юм шиг мэдрэмж амнаа. Тийм болохоор усан үзм авлаа. Энэ одоо ямар нэртэй чигээс юм болоо? Энийг авах уу болох уу? За авчих.
Юм ямар сайн хүмүүс вэ? Тай tutulma on this one pasarata.